Okay. So natural log of e raised to the negative 6x. Natural log and e cancel out because that's the same thing as saying log base e of e to the negative 6x. Does that make sense? That is the exact same thing. Natural log is a log of the base of e. So they cancel out, and we're left with just negative 6x. So what's going to be left over on part B? X minus 3. Good. How about C? X squared. Good. It's not 2x. We can't cancel it until we move the power back to where it belongs, because nothing can be in between your e and your natural log. So then I get to cancel, and we have just x squared left over. Bless you. That sounded painful.
That was painful.
All right, so I want you to try these bottom three. Try natural log of e to the 1.8 power, natural log of e to the 2x, plus natural log of e to the x, and then part C, do e raised to the 7 times natural log of x. Okay, now, checking your answers with mine. How come on part B, this might have occurred to a couple of people? What could have been done wrong here? They multiplied. Now, what made them multiply though? They see a plus between two logs, so they're not like totally out of left field. The issue is both of my logs cancel. So once they cancel, there's no more logs left to do that property with. Okay, they cancel first thing, so I'm left with just 2x plus x. Okay, part C, how could someone get this as an answer?
They could put the 7 in front of the e.
They could put the 7 in front of the e, yep.
And then try to multiply that.
Yeah, they could have moved the 7 in the wrong spot somewhere.
They would have not followed directions.
Okay, yeah, they would not follow directions. Okay, good. Questions about just the basic canceling, inversing natural log of e.
Why is it LA? There's an LA on the top.
Natural log. Yep, it's next to your log button.
I see it.
I don't know. They didn't ask
But
me.
we don't use it.
We will use natural log.
Oh,
Yep.
that's great.
We're going to use natural log when we get to simplify. We're going to use natural log when we simplify. So, bringing it all together. Okay, we have natural log of 10x squared minus natural log of 2x equals 1. It wants me to solve, like we did Monday. Solving logarithms. My steps are the same. Condense my logarithms into one logarithm first. So this becomes natural log, yep, of 10x squared over 2x equals 1. These steps don't change. Okay, from here, we bring in the matching base to cancel it out. This time, what is the matching base? No, ln is the log. What's the base? E is the base. E is what cancels it out. Now I'm left with 10x squared over 2x equals e to the power of 1, or just e. It's just e.
Yeah, it's E.
It is e. All right? I'm going to now simplify my fraction because 10x squared divided by 2x is 5x. So now I have 5x equals e. I want x by itself because that's the variable, so I'm going to divide by 5. I get e divided by 5, and that's how I'm leaving my answer. Okay? Leave e in your answer. Leave it there. Okay? E is a number.
Why?
It is Euler's number. Okay? We're not going to. We would stop right there. Okay? No, letter B. All right, letter B wants me to solve for x. What do you see happening in there?
There's a thingy.
There's a number in front, right? So how am I going to move that number to not be in front? Divide. So we have e raised to the natural log of x squared is equal to 25. Now what? E and natural log cross out. We have x squared equals 25.
And then
Excuse
it's
me.
x plus 5 and x 5.
Yes. Then we do get 5 and negative 5. Logs do have a rule. I cannot do a log of a negative number. So if I plug negative 5 back in, I'm gonna have natural log of negative 5. Okay? The reason why that cannot work, because some of you are like, oh, but it's being squared, so it turns into a positive. It doesn't matter. Okay? Because even if it's being squared, there is still a negative attached to my log. That cannot happen. Okay? Because we don't square things and then log them. We actually move the power out of the way, right? And then we log. So that's why this cannot happen. So x equals 5 is our only answer for this one. Okay?
Wait, never mind.
Okay. I'm going to show you one more example to help you with your homework here in a second. Oh, that's not what I want to do. You stay there. Nope, you stay there. There we go. I want this to move. Okay. Something else I want to show you. Let's do purple. I know it's not on your paper, but it'll help you with your homework. Let's say I have e, I don't know, to the 3x. Let's say 4e to the 3x equals 8. And I want you to solve for x. Okay? I'm going to divide both sides by 4 first. To get e to the 3x is equal to what? 2? Okay? Yesterday, when you had an exponential, what did you bring in to get rid of it? A log with the same base. So what am I going to bring in here? An L into both sides. So it'll be natural log of e to the 3x equals natural log of 2. This cancels. That's the whole reason. So we have 3x. Natural log of 2 is a number. So tell me what it is. Natural log of 2. 0.693. Okay, then you divide that by 3. So it's exactly what we did yesterday. We're just using ln instead of any other log. So this gives me what? Okay, so that's another kind of example you're going to see that's on today's work. Okay. For notes, yes, you're going to have, the rest of the class you're going to practice and work because you're going to need me. I'm getting my steps in today. I will show you the work. It is page 480. You'll do 21 through 37 odd, 42 through 50 all, and then 60 and 61.